I'm going to show you 5 ways to instantly increase your chances of lucid dreaming tonight. Tip number 1, eat better. Have you ever heard of gut health? The things that you eat and drink have a heavy impact on the way that your brain processes information while we are asleep. Eating more fiber and healthier foods gives the brain the nutrients it needs to process memories, which leads to us remembering more dreams. By remembering more dreams, you dramatically increase the chances of having a lucid dream tonight. So ditch the McDonald's and have a steak with a salad. Tip 2, turn down the temperature. While asleep, your brain cools your body down. Why make our brains work harder when we are trying to lucid dream? Turn down the temperature just a couple of degrees. And if you can't do that, go buy a fan and sleep with a fan next to your bed. Any way you can get your body into the optimal temperature to sleep comfortably, do it. Tip number 3, read before bed. Dreams are our brain's way of processing new information that it experienced during the day. If you're not giving your brain new information, it will have nothing memorable or interesting to dream about. So if you're stuck in the 9 to 5 or you just scroll all day on TikTok like I do, you need to read a book. Fiction, non-fiction, it doesn't matter. You must get your brain processing visualizations on its own. While in Minnesota, I didn't have my phone for a week and all I did was read. I had the most vivid and crazy lucid dreams I've ever had in my entire life. Tip number 4, have a consistent sleep schedule. Brains love repetition and being comfortable. If you can get your brain into a routine of going to bed and waking up at the same time every night, you can give it the proper time to recover and process those experiences and memories from throughout the day. This will instantly increases the chances of you having a lucid dream. And you can start tracking your sleep cycles while also starting to use techniques to increase the chances even more of you having a lucid dream. Tip number 5, drink a lot of water before bed. If you watched the Wake Back to Bed video, I talked about drinking a lot of water before going to bed. Well, I'm not lying, it works. Your brain will wake you up right before or during a dream, and this will allow you to wake up and become more aware of your surroundings before going back to sleep. There's a much better in-depth explanation of that in my Wake Back to Bed video. I'll just put it up here, so go click on it and watch that next. Those are the 5 tips to instantly increase your chances of having a lucid dream tonight. Obviously, these don't guarantee lucid dreams, but it increases the chances of you having one as soon as possible. This list does not include reality checking and dream journaling, but I think that those things are so important that they deserve their own video. If you want to learn how to master lucid dreaming, consider subscribing. Comment if you have any questions, and if you like this video, I will guarantee that you will have a lucid dream as soon as possible. Sweet dreams, guys, and good night.